Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Faith, and today guys I'll be reacting to Daneliya Tuleshova covering Adele's song Set Fire to the Rain. And guys, I'm super excited as always. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please consider subscribing, give this video a massive thumbs up, comment, share, and all that good stuff. And without much ado, let's dive right into this video.
I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say that were never true in the games you played. You would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Will it burn? Will I cry? 'Cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. When I lay with you, I could stay there and close my eyes, feel you here forever. You and me together, nothing is better. I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Will it burn? Will I cry? 'Cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name, baby.
Oh my gosh, you guys, that was so beautiful. When Daneliya Tuleshova sings, my heart starts to race over and over again. The way she covered this song was so beautiful. It was incredible. She did such an amazing job to this song. I wish she made it longer. It was so beautiful. I couldn't get enough of her voice. Those high notes were so beautiful. I love this girl so much. I can't seem to get enough of her singing. She did such an amazing job to this song. This is more than a cover, and wow, it was beautiful. It was on point. It was mind-blowing. Everything about this song was so good, and I had fun reacting to Daneliya Tuleshova. If you guys enjoyed watching, give this video a massive thumbs up, comment, share, and all that good stuff. And this is me officially signing out. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.